What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Windows command line for network troubleshooting. If you're facing issues like slow internet, websites not loading, or network connectivity errors, using a few simple commands in the command prompt can help you fix the problems. First, open the command prompt. Search for CMD in your Start menu search and select the Run as Administrator option so the commands can execute properly. The first command we'll use is ipconfig/release. This command will disconnect your computer from the current IP address assigned to your router or network. It basically releases your computer's current IP configuration. Once that's done, type the next command, ipconfig/renew. This command will request a new IP address from your network's DHCP server. It's useful if your IP settings are outdated or if you're having trouble connecting to the internet. After renewing your IP, type ipconfig/flushdns. This command will clear your DNS cache. Your computer stores DNS records to speed up website loading, but sometimes those records can become outdated or corrupted, leading to errors. Flushing the DNS forces your PC to fetch updated DNS information. Once you've done these three, there's one more important command you can run, netsh winsock reset. This command will reset the Windows socket or winsock catalog to its default state. Winsock is responsible for handling network requests from programs and browsers. And if it's misconfigured or corrupted, you can face network issues. Resetting it often fixes connectivity problems. Another helpful command similar to this is netsh int ip reset. This command will reset your TCP IP stack back to its default settings. It's very useful if you're experiencing persistent internet issues, as it clears out all of the custom configurations related to your network adapter. Once you've run all of these commands, restart your PC so that the changes can take effect. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.